Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. From the title you all must have understood that I forgot my makeup palette at my mom's place. I just recently shifted back to Delhi and I just forgot my professional makeup kit. And now it's Karwachauth and I wanted to shoot for YouTube channel, and I'm really sorry if you could hear some background noise. I'm really sorry for that because I'm shooting in the daytime. So today this video is going to be very easy for people who really don't have a makeup kit, like not even, stop talking about professional kit, even a small palette, eye palette or any type of palette. So you just have to gather some whatever stuff you have. I'm going to show a very easy makeup tutorial, so keep watching. So before I get started, I am going to pull off my hair back so that it becomes easier for me to do the makeup. So I've already moisturized my skin, and you can see I have already done my eyebrows. I've already primed my face, so now I'm going to go straight to my face and I'm going to show you what exactly I'll be using for my face. For my face, I'll be using a Sure BB cream, that is SPF 30, that's all-in-one skin perfector cream. Okay, so I'm going to take just one drop of this cream, BB cream, and I'm going to mix this with Ever Beauty So Glow All The Way infused with 24 karat gold face and body highlighter. Okay, I got this from Algeria. Just a little drop, one drop, so that my face looks more glowy. With the help of Vyas Beauty Blender, I'm going to mix this very well. Now again I'm going to take my highlighter and I'm just going to take a small drop, just this one, and with this finger I'm going to apply it on the mid of my eyelids and just spread it. Again, taking a sponge, I'm just going to dab this little. To set all this, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Face HD High Definition Matte Press Powder, and this is shade Classy Ivory. And first, I'm going to apply it on my eye, and in a similar way, I'm going to set all my face with this. You don't have to apply a lot, otherwise your face will start looking matte, but I don't want. I want my face to look more glowy. Now I'm taking my liquid lipstick, any shade you can take. I'm taking dark pink, and before placing direct on my face, I'm going to place it on my hands, the back of my hands. Just dab a little and slide. Using the same brush. Now for contouring, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Face HD Press Powder, and this is the darkest shade that I've ordered from Nika. And I'm going to use the same brush because I don't have that much of brushes right now, so I'm just taking just a little. I'm going to take it. That's not the extra. So for the eyeliner, I'm using MAC Do Not Fade Liquid Eyeliner. It's a liquid liner that has one way, it's two-way. have. I'm just giving you an idea that what all I have used, the stuff that I have. Now because I don't have, so that is why I'm using all these. Otherwise, I am a professional makeup artist. I have all this stuff, but unluckily I just forgot everything at the moment. For my waterline, I'll be using like my iconic Kajal. For my inner corner, I'll be using Miss Clay Pearl Eyeliner. If you don't have, you can skip this step. You can simply apply a Kajal. So I'm just going to take a little. Place it on my inner eye. Now the most interesting part, I also forgot my mascara. So for the mascara, I'll be taking my brow brush, or spoolie you call it, and I have my liquid eyeliner. Any eyeliner you can use. I'm going to literally dip it inside like this. On my eyelashes. For my lips, I'll be using Colorbar Shine Cherry. That's my favorite shade. So this is my final look. Like, if you are really liking my videos, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do like and share my videos. Bye bye.